Welcome to your Library Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to, find the derivative of sine and cos, even if you forget the basic identities, the basic formulas. So using this Cartesian plane, we have sine here, sine at the bottom, cos here, and then cos other side. So moving clockwise is differentiation, and moving anti-clockwise is integration. So this one means that if you are going clockwise, like if you are on sine and you are differentiating sine, that means you are going clockwise, you get cos. So you differentiate sine, you get cos. If you differentiate cos, you get negative sine, and it goes on in that manner. If you differentiate negative sine, you get negative cos. If you differentiate negative cos, you get sine. As far as you are moving clockwise, you are differentiating, right? So let's look at the other way around. So going anti-clockwise, we are integrating. If you stand on sine, if you integrate sine, you are getting negative cos. To integrate negative cos, you get sine, right? So it goes on in that manner. You integrate negative sine, you get cos. You integrate cos, you get sine, positive sine. So it goes on in that manner. So aside the basic trig identities, maybe you might forget this. So we know that if we are to find the derivative of sine u, is going to be, because we are differentiating, if you differentiate sine u, you get cos, right? Going to be cos u and then u prime. Differentiate cos, this is cos. If I differentiate cos, because I'm differentiating, I move clockwise. So differentiate cos will give me negative sine x sine. So let's say I'm differentiating cos u, it will give me negative sine u dot u prime. Anyway, u prime is a derivative of the term here. So assuming I'm to find the derivative of sine 2x, so this will be giving me, because I'm finding a derivative, I know that definitely I'm going to get cos. So this will be giving me cos 2x, and now finally we differentiate this. Differentiating 2x to the power 1 gives us 2, right? So that's it. I just want to share this with you. Maybe you might forget how to differentiate sine to cos and sine and then cos, or integrate sine and cos. So using this idea, you'll be okay to recall it faster. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.